Ramadan Kareem to you and your loved ones. I hope this month is filled with an abundance of blessings, peace, and health. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own Ramadan tracker on Notion, which you can access it simply through your phone, laptop, or tablet too. You'll find this template in the description box below, and you can simply make it your own. The best thing about it is that you can play with it as much as you want to align and focus on what you want to do during this month. I've already set the 30 days and all the dates too. By clicking on it, you can change the dates. As for fasting, I opted for the checkbox just because it was easier to keep track of the fasting. As for the prayers, I went for multi-select, so I don't have to use multiple columns in the same topic. You can also add new options and play with its colors too. My preference was to keep the Quran column as a checkbox, as well as for charity too. I believe water intake is important to me, and this is to track my water intake, especially that I'm fasting for almost 14 hours. I want to prioritize my physical health too, and also reduce processed sweets as much as possible for my own health. Rating my mood is worth acknowledging to me personally. As for podcasts, there are Islamic podcasts in English or Arabic, depends on your preference, and you can choose your own scholar that you prefer because some of them post daily in Ramadan. For example, Omar Sulaiman, which I'll add his link in the description below. As for food, this is an option, and I went for text so I can type the meals I had. Social life to me is worth acknowledging, and I played with the option multi-select because most of the days are different. Reflections is an interesting one. I thought of adding it to be more conscious of my own self, especially during this month and later on too. Rating my day and leaving a comment to myself to maybe work on it the next day or even appreciate myself or the people around me.